counter
Egyptian
two.
rat screw.
Look at it.
Alright. Go, go, go.
You're not almost having
Come
that.
on, hurry it up now. This is a fast-paced game here. Yeah.
I
Oh,
won.
I'm gonna go slow.
I'm missing it.
Joe?
I'm standing.
Yeah, it hurts my side.
What are you doing?
Look at what Joey did
Go.
to the table.
Go, go, go. Who goes?
You
Jimmy does.
You go.
What are you doing, Tom? I don't want you there.
I don't want to. Oh, 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 yes.
No.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, 1, 2. Yes.
Oh, damn.
Woo, look at all these cars. That's so many cars.
You guys realize that you're going to have to look back on that scene later and then realize how stupid you are. Yes, Jerry.
Yeah.
Can you put him in a pile, please?
No, because I can't slap that far.
Yeah, again. Again.
Joey.
You stop, God. What the heck?
Oh my God!
You went, what the heck? And you get the whole
I
pile.
destroyed the table.
No, you can't have cards.
Da, 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 da. I got it! That's me! That's me!
And that is the end of Egyptian Rat Screw.